Hi everyone, this is Lee, and I am here with a requested video. This is my small size old Celine Phantom Cabas Tote, and I am going to show you how I use bag inserts and small leather goods and other things to pack this bag. Right now it is packed for work. While I work from home, I often take my work to a coffee shop or a library or even to a park outside. I'm going to show you what fits in terms of work and how I have it organized. So first, I'm going to pull out my iPad Pro. This is a felt case. It's from the brand Belle and Byrd. I have really enjoyed this brand. I have a journal case from them, and so I ordered this iPad Pro case as soon as I got my iPad, and it served me very well. I have my journal, which is also in a Belle and Byrd case. It has a pencil in here, so it helps keep me organized and prepared. My daily date book. So the other one is for work, and this I carry with me all the time. This is it's for personal and work. I have a pouch from Portland Leathergoods. When I use it in this bag, I put it vertically so that I can reach for it easily, and it also affords more room for other things. I love the squishy leather on this particular one and the orangey color. You'll see that most of the inserts and organizational tools I use inside of my bags are very practical. This is a great company I have found. They use full grain leather. It is always at a very attractive price point. I mix high-end pieces and more practical, attractive price point pieces, and especially things that go inside of my bag. I don't have to be precious with them. They get knocked around, they get pulled in and out, they're going to be used. And so for me, I'd rather keep money in my handbag budget for more higher end pieces, and the inside practical utilitarian pieces are much more basic. I have another piece from Portland Leathergoods. This is my makeup case. So the other is more of an emergency kit with first aid type stuff, if you will. And this is my makeup case. So again, I keep it vertical because it's easy to grab and get something out, and I can tell by feel what it is. And then I have my card case. This is from Sézane. I recently did a reveal video on this piece. I have been enjoying it for a few days now. It has done exactly what I hoped it would do. I keep it vertically in my bag so that I have my credit cards and things easily accessible to just reach in and grab if I'm shopping or if I have to run pick up a coffee, things like that. So has worked very well, and I will keep you up to date on this piece. I have my little notebook. I love this notebook. It has Tomoe River paper. This is a Japanese notebook, and it is so light and fits perfectly inside all of my bags. I keep a little pen inside, so I always have a ballpoint pen handy, and this goes with me everywhere. It fits even in my small bags. And in this bag, I keep it inside of one of my organizers, and I keep it vertically so I can reach in, grab it, make a note, or have a pen. So I highly recommend something like this in your bag. I have my car key pouch. This is a little felt pouch that fits, again, in almost all of my bags, and it's where I keep my car keys so they don't scratch up the bag. And I've really enjoyed this little felt pouch. I got it on Etsy. I will link it in the description box. I have another one of those. This is where I keep coins. Easy, breezy. These fit in small mini bags, and they will keep the bags, the leather bags, safe, and they also fit easily inside of my bigger bags. So again, really enjoying those pieces. My headphones, my glasses. These are my favorite glasses. I have had them for, my goodness, probably a decade. They're from the brand LaFont. Very nice, understated French brand, and they have held up beautifully. I have changed the prescription in them several times now, and I love them. And then my sunglasses, and these are also LaFont. I don't mind investing in good sunglasses, especially if I'm going to be using them for many years. These are prescription sunglasses, and they have held up beautifully. And again, very understated. There's no branding on the outside of LaFont glasses, but the design is just timeless and beautiful. And I highly recommend the brand if you're not familiar. And then we get to the basics. This is the insert that I use during the work week because it is actually smaller than the bag. This bag organizer is by Jenny Craft. It is, again, felt and at a very attractive price point. I will link it below. I had it made for one of my smaller bags, and I will show you that bag one day. It's a bag from Myrta, and I've really enjoyed it. It's a handmade Italian bag. And I have found that this insert, even though it is technically too small for this bag, it sits flat inside and it allows space around it for me to tuck in things for work.